Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got Honor X6 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app and okay. And since we are in the standard photo mode, we can take a look at this option bar. Basically, it doesn't really matter on which mode you will be, because all of the settings are in one place. All of the options which you can customize for the video or the photo, they are right here. So let's enter the settings. And as you can see in the general section, we've got the timer on the third position. So let's tap on it. And as you can see, we've got 4 different options. So currently we've got the timer off, but we've got also 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds, just tap on it and it will be immediately notified right here. So now we can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on, your device will count down from 10 or 3 or 5. And after that time, it will simply take a photo. Okay, so basically this is how it works. Of course, you can change the timer set for 3 or 5, and you can always turn it off. So just tap on off, and the same situation, it will be immediately applied, so your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to set the camera timer in your Honor X6. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.